In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this feature requires removable media password reset error in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to search and then type in control panel. And then once you're inside here, you want to go ahead and make sure it's viewed by large icons just to make it easier to work around. Then from here, we need to find user accounts. So here it is here, click into it. Then from here, we want to click onto where it says manage another account. Now go ahead and find your administrator account and then double click onto it. Then from here, it's either going to say create a password or change the password. In my case, I'm going to click on change the password, but if it says create a password, click onto that. So from here, put in your current password, and then you want to type in your new password and confirm the new password. And then you need to type a password hint just in case you have forgotten your password or your new password. And then from here, go ahead and click on change password. Then from here, you just want to restart your computer, and that should fix this feature requires removable media password reset error in Windows.